So sextant is the double reflecting navigation instrument to measure the angle between any two visible objects. So it's commonly to the celestial body in the horizon. So in here, so what is the double reflection? So we use the two mirror, this one and this one, to bring the image of the star, the sun, to the telescope. And there are three used at sea. So first one we use to measure the altitude of the celestial bodies, and next one is finding distance to a landmark, that we measure the vertical height of the tall object to measure how far from the object to our ship. And the last one is to determine position by the horizontal angles. So there are some main components of the sextant. So in here we have two mirrors. For the index mirror, they are attached with the index bar, that we can move the index bar to change the angles. And the horizontal mirror, that the half mirror and the half glass to see the horizon, and the half mirror to take the image from the index mirror. And those one is the shade glasses, that if you if you place to the sun, or the sun is too bright, that shade glass will protect your eyes not to be brightness. And you will see the image of the object by the telescope. And for this one, that is the micrometrodrome, that you adjust to have the 0.1 of accuracy of the arc. And this one is, there are some type of sextant. So first one is the traditional marine sextant. This one is the bubble sextant, and plastic sextant, and the newest one is the digital sextant. So next one is the part of it's all.
Okay, next in my part we'll mention about how to take the angle of the sextant, and mention about the arrows of the sextant. So first one, we have move. Can you remember this line? Can in part of the writing, he also mentioned about the stick, and
Index bar.
In this, it called an index bar. So your task is you have to move the index bar at a zero number at that position. Next is, what is it?
Telescope.
Okay, telescope. Alright. Put your eyes on the telescope. You see? Put your eye at that position, and you will see the. So can you tell me what is the area? What we call? This is the water, and this is the sun, the sky. Ryan. Ryan.
Horizon.
Horizon. Okay. This is horizon, right? So when we put our eyes on the telescope, put at it, you will see the sun. So when you adjust the index bar, the sun will move. And your task is put the sun on the top of the line of the sea, and the bottom of the sky. This is the sun. Alright? Next is your task to observe the sextant, and when you observe and when you are done on task, and how do you read the sextant angle? The sextant angle also have some number. This is the angle. This is the minute, and this also the fraction of the minute. So, do you understand the fraction of the minute?
No.
No, okay. Fraction, it means, example, this is the pen. And when I put the pen down and it break, it divides into things, two parts, it means fraction. This is fraction of the pen. Yes, fraction. Fraction also you can imagine is, example, 1.2. 2 is fraction of the 1. Okay, and how you read that number is the angle. The angle and the line of the zero is in the position that you read. Can you practice? Which can read the angle and the minute. Can you read the angle and the minute for me, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's 13 degrees.
No.
13.5 degrees.
In the middle of 29 and 30.
Oh, yeah.
It is
29.5 degrees.
and 40, 41, 42, and 40.
42.5
Yes,
degrees.
42.5 minutes.
Yes.
This is the angle. 29 degrees. 45.2. 42.5 minutes. So that's all about how to use the sextant. And there are two arrows. There are two kinds of arrow. The first one is non-adjustable sextant arrow and adjustable sextant arrow. So, do you understand the adjustable sextant arrow? Do you understand? Adjustable, it means you can adjust something. And non-adjust, it means you cannot adjust something. For example, first one is non-adjustable sextant arrow. This is the arrow you cannot adjust, you cannot do anything. The first one, prismatic arrow. This is your
Shape glass.
the shape glass, not in the parallel. You have to notice for the manufacturer. Manufacturer is the company product that machine, that equipment. Let's see the prismatic arrow. And number 2 is graduation arrow. It means the number on this line. The number on this, the minute. The number on the minute and the number on the, maybe the line on the circle at this position is not correct. It means the graduation arrow. And 2 arrows that you have to report to manufacturer or the company which who produce that machine. Alright. Next is the adjustable sextant arrows. There are some kind of arrows that you can adjust. First one is perpendicular arrow. You can see the line perpendicular. It's not on the right angle. And your task is use. You see, it's not on the right angle with the real time, with the real. And your task is use the tools to adjust. Maybe the rotate on clockwise or anti-clockwise to rotate that. When you rotate finish, it also used on the straight line. Number 2 is side arrow. When you put your eyes on the telescope, you see this is the line of the sea and the sky. However, it's not on the straight line. It divides on two lines, right? Your task is also use the tools, use the screw, and adjust that position. When you adjust successful, this is the real real image of the sextant. Okay, when you adjust successful, also on the straight line, successful. And last one is the index arrow. Index arrow also the same image with the side arrow. And however, your task is adjust the rotate the minute, the knot minute until you see the straight line. So that's all about the arrows. And that's also the all of my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, back to the slide. How to read the angle. So, everyone, do you understand how to read this one?